Today I'm bringing back a true classic. There's nothing quite like a homemade peanut butter cookie. Rich, comforting, and instantly nostalgic. The kind that takes you right back to Grandma's kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make these perfectly golden cookies with that signature fork press top, crisp on the outside, soft and tender on the inside. Simple, timeless, and absolutely delicious. Let's get baking. And we're going to start by beating our butter. There's the butter in there. And our sugar. And our brown sugar. And our egg. And our peanut butter. And I'm using a natural peanut butter. This is a crunchy natural peanut butter. Nice and sticky. There we go. And we're going to beat this up. So that's scraped down the walls. Oh, it smells good already. And I can see some of the peanut butter hasn't mixed in quite thoroughly yet. And that's why you want to scrape the walls down. There we go. And I'm going to add to my gluten-free all-purpose flour my baking soda, my baking powder, and my salt. And I'm just going to give that a light mix. There we go. And then I'm going to add this to my wet mixture. And let's mix this up. And that's it. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to scrape off our paddle. Oh, look at this. This looks great. And it smells so good. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Just scrape down the walls. That's pretty good. Make sure it's all well mixed. And I have a greased cookie sheet. And I'm going to take about 1 inch size or 2.5 centimeter balls and drop them right onto the cookie sheet. And I'm going to space them about 2 inches or about 5 centimeters apart. That's the sheet done. Now I'm going to take a floured fork and I'm going to press it 2 different directions. These are looking good. These are going to go into my preheated oven of 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. See you in a moment. These look incredible. They took 9 minutes in my oven. Your oven might vary slightly because every oven is different. And look at these. You can still see the fork marks in them. The smell is delightful. And nice and golden brown on the bottom. Do keep an eye on them. You want them to be set up but not totally firm because they're going to keep baking when you pull them out because the pan is obviously still hot. But I want to give them a try. Now that's a peanut butter cookie. If you're looking for the full recipe, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. Thanks for watching.